National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, it was another brutally cold morning around here. -2 was the low at Pence, -1 down at Perrysville. We dropped to 3 at the TV station. I know the Purdue Airport dropped to 3, but where we had a little look at that cloud cover, 14 at Rochester. That's balmy compared to the readings we had in most places. And it feels balmy this evening, relatively speaking. We've got a pretty brisk south to southeast wind, but temperatures are not moving much. They're running 25 to 30 now, and they won't change much overnight tonight. But with that warmer air coming in, overriding the cold air, we've got some wintry precip headed our way as well. Notice on precision here, not much going on right now as expected. We've got a couple little flurries up here in White County. A lot of this is probably not even reaching the ground, but you could run into a few flakes north of Monticello here and also near Chalmers, and a couple little flakes here perhaps in Newton County. But the bulk of the precip here in northern and central Illinois is working east-southeastward. So we'll get a wave of snow, perhaps a little bit of sleet, and then some patchy freezing drizzle after midnight tonight. There is this little wave passing through here. You can see where the bulk of the precip is now. Going to pass between 9 and 1 o'clock. Once the snow goes through, then we've got to deal with patchy freezing drizzle. Notice it picking up a little bit towards 11. Temperatures hanging out, mid to upper 20s, and a south-southeast wind at 10 to 20. So we got that little snow burst, then some patchy freezing drizzle, very minor accumulation, but some slick spots overnight tonight and tomorrow morning. Then we focus on that weekend winter storm for the Midwest with a lot of wind as well. Futurecast. Notice the blue, that's that wave of snow that will pass through here. But then even though Futurecast, even at 4 a.m., is still painting some light snow, it will not be light snow. It's going to be patchy freezing drizzle. The temperature profile in the atmosphere after midnight does not support snow. So again, some slick spots, and then mostly cloudy tomorrow, but any precip will head to the east, and temperatures will get above freezing in the mid-30s. Tonight, again, over the north, you'll be closer to an inch of snow. Everyone else, just a little coating, a little dusting, just enough to slicken things up a little bit. Then for the weekend, it'll start out as a mix of rain and some sleet on Saturday afternoon and evening, but then change to snow. And as the storm roars up through the Ohio Valley, heaviest band will stay to our west. In fact, Chicago down towards Peoria and Burlington, Iowa, over 8 inches. But for us, notice, generally 2 to 4 with 1 to 2 in our southeast. 35 for the high tomorrow, 35 Saturday, much colder Sunday, and brutally cold to start next week. But by late next week, temperature will start to moderate a little bit around here.
So that's some good news, some silver lining there.
Yeah, 25. Hey.
Yeah, at least we're missing that 8 inches, too. That's kind of nice.
Yeah, it's really going to be nasty if you're headed up towards Chicago.
All right. Is it warmer in Tennessee? Let's hope for the cold sake that it is. Right, Mike Clefson, the Sports Center. Mike?